Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical gas range, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from gas range, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gas range from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Avanti Gas Range Oven, Compact Freestanding Design, 4 Sealed Burners with Electronic Ignition. Looking for a space-saving yet powerful kitchen solution? The Avanti Gas Range Oven is your go-to appliance for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and vacation homes. With a 2.1 cubic feet oven capacity, this compact freestanding gas range offers impressive performance without taking up much room. It features 4 sealed burners, 1 rapid, 2 semi-rapid, and 1 simmer, perfect for versatile cooking, all powered by automatic electronic ignition for quick, reliable starts. The oven includes 2 racks, a see-through glass door, a broiler with pan, and a bottom storage drawer for added functionality. Cook with confidence using the full-range temperature controls, 60-minute timer, and convenient oven light. Built to last with alloy steel construction, this unit is ADA compliant and includes an LP conversion kit for flexible installation. Whether you're baking, roasting, or broiling, the Avanti gas range delivers big performance in a small footprint, backed by a 1-year manufacturer limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 2. KoolMore 36-inch professional gas range stove with 5-burner cooktop, rapid convection oven. Upgrade your kitchen with the KoolMore 36-inch professional gas range stove, a chef-quality appliance designed for serious home cooks. This sleek, freestanding stainless steel gas range features a powerful 5-burner cooktop with individual BTU outputs, allowing you to boil, fry, sear, or simmer multiple dishes at once. The spacious rapid convection oven uses a fan-assisted heating element for faster, even cooking, perfect for preparing meals for the whole family or entertaining guests. Built with smudge and fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, it not only looks great but also stands up to everyday use. Designed for modern kitchens, it includes a convenient storage drawer, adjustable legs for the perfect fit, and an overall compact yet spacious size of 35.4-inch into 25-inch into 36.9 inches. Whether you're baking holiday favorites or cooking daily dinners, the KoolMore gas range delivers top performance and style. Bring professional-grade cooking to your home with this durable and versatile range oven. Number 3. Empava 36-inch gas range, true convection oven, 6 cubic feet 6. Deep, recessed burners cooktop. Upgrade your kitchen with the Empava 36-inch gas range, a powerhouse appliance designed for precision and performance. With a spacious 6 cubic feet true convection oven and 6 deep recessed burners, this range offers unmatched versatility for everything from delicate simmering to high-heat stir-frying. Equipped with 2 18,000 BTU, 2 12.0 BCU, and 2 9.0 BCU burners, plus a powerful commercial convection fan, it ensures even heating and fast preheating for flawless baking and roasting. Built from high-quality stainless steel with cast iron grates and zinc alloy knobs, it's durable, sleek, and easy to clean. The 3-layer tempered glass oven door and built-in halogen light provide clearer visibility while cooking. Whether freestanding or slide-in, this stove fits beautifully into any kitchen space. With a storage drawer, safety-first design, and 2-year warranty, the Empava gas range delivers professional performance and long-lasting quality, making it the perfect choice for passionate home chefs. Cook like a pro, right from your own kitchen. Number 4. AAOBOSI 36-inch front control gas range oven with 6 cooktop burners, 6 cubic feet true convection. Upgrade your kitchen with the AAOBOSI 36-inch front control gas range oven, designed for power, precision, and versatility. Featuring 6 high-performance burners, 18,000 BTU, 10,000 BTU, and 9,000 BTU. This freestanding gas range allows you to cook multiple dishes at once, perfect for large families or holiday feasts. The 6 cubic feet true convection oven distributes heat evenly, ideal for baking, roasting, grilling, and more, with temperatures ranging from 150 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Built with durable stainless steel, black matte cast iron grates, and ABS rotary knobs, it combines durability with a sleek high-end look. With adjustable flame control, pulse ignition, and a flame-out protection system, it ensures safe and efficient cooking. The oven is also convertible for natural gas or liquid propane, making it adaptable for any home setup. Backed by CSA certification and dedicated technical support, the AAOBOSI range is a reliable, stylish centerpiece for serious home chefs. Cook confidently, clean easily, and enjoy ultimate control. Number 5. CAMPLUX RV Propane Range 17 inches Oven with 3 burners cooktop for RV Classic Series. Experience compact cooking convenience with the CAMPLUX 17-inch RV Propane Range Oven, the perfect 2-in-1 solution for your mobile kitchen. Designed specifically for RVs, this Classic Series appliance features 3 high-efficiency burners, 8,000 BTU plus 6,500 BTU into 2, and a 7,100 BTU oven, giving you the power to cook full meals on the go. With a spacious 1.27 cubic feet oven capacity and sleek stainless steel finish, it adds both style and function to your RV. The enamel surface, removable cast iron grate, and drip tray make cleanup a breeze. Safety is a priority with CSA certification, a safety cutoff valve, and child-safe rotary piezo ignition. Designed to handle life on the road, it includes shock-proof rubber pads and fastened burners for worry-free travel. Whether you're baking, boiling, or frying, the CAMPLUX propane range delivers performance, durability, and peace of mind wherever your adventures take you. Enjoy the comforts of home, even off the grid. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.